Hello, this is Crypto Support again. Today we'll create our own NFT on the most popular marketplace OpenSea using our phone. Let's get started. There is a special app for your phone made by this marketplace. It is available on iOS and Android. But there's no option to create NFT inside of it. So we will use the mobile version of the website in the browser, which also uses MetaMask. So we will need a MetaMask wallet to interact with the platform. Download the MetaMask app on your phone from the official website. If you don't have a wallet yet, the app will ask you to create one. If you do have a wallet, just log in using your passphrase. Then go to the wallet and click on the browser button on the bottom right. Then type OpenSea in the search field, go to the website and connect your wallet. Choose MetaMask and click on Connect. Then click on the menu button in the upper right corner and choose Create. Sign the operation in MetaMask and you will be redirected to the NFT creation page. Let's say we are going to create an NFT generated by artificial intelligence. First, we add our picture or other media file. It can be either picture, audio, video or even 3D model. After that, add a name and description to our NFT. You can also add a link with additional information in the external link field if you want. Also, you can add some properties, metrics and levels to the NFT in the appropriate section if you want. The next option in the settings is unlockable content. Here you can specify the content, which will be unlocked only after the purchase. For example, it can be a link to the chat for NFT owners, some training courses or other useful information. The next point is explicit and sensitive content. If our NFT contains adult content, then click on this slider. Now we only have to choose the number of NFTs to be created and the blockchain on which we want to create our token. In our case, we choose Polygon. Now click on Create and confirm that you're not a robot. Done, we created our own NFT. Right here, by clicking on our NFT name, we'll be directed to the NFT page, where we can put it for sale. By clicking on List Item, you can enter its price, quantity and duration. Next, just confirm the operation via MetaMask and leave the signature. Done. You can always find your NFTs, just click on your profile. That's it. By the way, we have partnership with the best crypto exchanges. Therefore, when you register using our links, you will receive huge discounts on commissions and other starting bonuses. It is worth taking advantage of that to trade on an exchange with maximum profit. We will leave the links in the description. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.